Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is a super quick video today because I've had so many calls recently with clients who are juggling too many clients and want to make more with fewer clients, but they just don't know how to do it. So if you're a service-based business provider, this video is for you. So the first thing I do when a client comes to me wanting to earn more money and they're overworked is I ask them how much they're charging. This is usually the first alarm bell because they are trading time for money. They're charging hourly or a half day, or they're charging by the week, but they are pretty much limited to the amount of money they can earn because there's only 24 hours in a day, which means that usually projects go over, things don't go to plan, they end up being overwhelmed and burnt out by the end of the month and slowly but surely resenting the business. Now it's the start of a new year, so I really hope that you have set yourself some income goals for 2024. If you haven't, check out this video here, but if you have, let's just say that you've put it down as 100k this year you want to earn. Now if you're trading time for money, let's say your offer is $100 or $150 per hour, okay? But you want 100 grand by the end of the year. So if you want to do that with 24 hours in a day, you're gonna have to consistently attract and book in between 50 to 100 clients per month. And you'll have to, if you're a service-based provider, usually because it's a higher investment, they need a phone call with you first. That's over 100 hours of calls. So even if your goal was 50k per year, it would be near impossible to reach. So now you can see how hard it is to increase those income goals when you are trading time for money. So what I want you to do is increase your prices to match the transformation that your clients want. If you're a photographer, you don't want to be selling per day or per half day. You want to be selling the value that photo album in 50 years time when that married couple are looking through, you want to be selling the price tag on that. What is that worth to them? These are then laid out in offers, so you're not trading time for money. You have one or two offers which will then give your clients the value and the outcome and transformation they need without you having to work every waking hour just to get enough in to pay the bills. Let's take another example. If you're a creative, so a designer, instead of charging per hourly or day rate, you're going to create a 4 or 6 week package. Your client, if you're a brand designer, might get the brand identity, which includes all the assets, all the suites, all the brand strategy, and then you're going to sell the outcome that your client is getting, not the actual tools to get them there. So things like creating a premium brand that will attract premium clients into them, it will allow them to then up their prices, it will allow them to stand out in a busy marketplace. All of a sudden there's so much value on that compared to logo, colors, fonts, that they will pay for that. They'll pay for that package happily. So all of a sudden a 10-hour job is not $1,000, it is a $4,000 package. They're happy because you're always providing more value than the price point, and you're happy because you're not having to constantly work 12 hours a day to get that income coming in. So instead of having to attract hundreds of clients into your business per month, you do less. You have better premium clients attracted to you because you have better packages, a higher price point, but a higher transformation, that you don't have to market as much. You also have more hours free of your day because you're not charging per hourly rate, and you can actually take on fewer clients per month, which means you can have more time to enjoy life, your family, friends, travel, whatever that is. So by swapping hourly for premium packages, you're pretty much 3, 4 or 5 times in your income overnight with fewer clients. So start thinking, how can you reshape your offers? How can you package them so that you're not having to do that anymore and you can live the life and hit those income goals that you want to in 2024? If you love this video and would like to receive more marketing tips for your small business, then click subscribe to our channel and you'll receive weekly videos around marketing and mindset to help your business reach those income goals in 2024.